can I share with my friends from the future? What can I share with you today? Here's something. I was listening to the church bells out there this morning. Oh, how it lifts my heart. Why? I ask myself, why do the church bells lift my heart? Even though right now I'm ill and I cannot visit. So then I asked one of my nuns to get me some books from the library about bells. And here's what I learned. Bells, when you ring them, have high-pitched sound, or they have a deep, sonorous sound. What it does when you ring a bell, it sweeps the air clean of all negative thoughts, feelings, emotions of people. Can you imagine? Did you know that the negative thoughts, emotions, and feelings of people actually don't go away? They just hang in the air. And when you ring a bell like this one I have by my bed, it cleans the air around the church and it creates a magnet of desire for people to run to the church. It's time. It's time to go cleanse ourselves. Now there's a thing to ponder, isn't it?